Hello everyone, so we are arriving at our final front end, that's the UI for our form. So now we want to work on this. We'll work on this icon somehow this. Okay. So to do that, let's start with our h1. So h1, okay, which is this our login. So we're going to give it a color of this. Okay, yes. We can still maintain the size that way. So maintain the size that way. If you want, you can give it a margin bottom. So margin bottom, sorry, margin bottom of let's use 60 px. That's a lot. So let's just clear that out. So I'm going to uncomment it. Okay, so let's work on the icons now. So our icons, we're just going to pick this particular name. So ion icons, ion icon. Okay, paste it here. Then we are going to set it background color. So background color to Alice. Oh, sorry. Let's rather do. I'm going to take this out, and then let's do. I commented this out. Okay. So ion icon, and then I'm going to give it a color. Okay, for the icon. I'll set it to our color here. Okay, and then we'll give it a width 25 px, the height 25 px. Okay. Then we can work on some. Let's see, where's the button? So the button can work on some. Let's use margin bottom. Let's say to 20 px. Let's see what we have. So we have good spacing here. So now we can work on the spacing for the login, which is our h1. That's the margin. So let's see our h1. So h1. Okay, so let me uncomment this and see the outcome. Okay, so that's quite okay. I think the spacing is too much, so we can change it to, let's use 50. Okay, so remember these are inside the socials div. So socials, so the class called socials. Then we would want to give it let's make it column gap of 20 px. This wouldn't take effect because we've not declared flex, so we need to declare flex. So display flex first. Okay, so we can see we have some spacing here. So column gap. Okay, so to rectify this, I'm going to my index, then I'm going to cut this. Okay, then inside our container. Okay, or let's do it in our form. Let's try doing it in our form. Let's see. Okay, so now we have it here. Okay, so now let's go to our main.css and then look for our h1. So margin bottom is 50. Then let's rather work from our socials. So socials, let's give it a margin. Let's give it a margin bottom of 10. So margin bottom of 10 pixels. Okay. So we have our final project here. Okay. So you can make other improvements and other things that you want to have. So I think the spacing here isn't even. Okay. So that should be an assignment for you guys. And yeah, so thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.